Okay, so I just got back from Breitling Boutique and I found something very interesting. I want to share it with you. Let's see. I'll do this quick improvised unboxing here. It's an Aviator 8 with Arabic numerals. It has a date function, and it's a very cool watch. I saw it on Instagram a few weeks ago and I really liked it. And when I was walking past my Breitling boutique, I saw it and couldn't resist. They said that only 6 made it to the US, so this is one of the 6. It was limited to 500 pieces worldwide. So here it is. It's kind of hard to see because the light is not helping. See if I can make a close-up here. Here we go. Check that out. Well, let's see what's in the box. We have a Breitling certificate of limited edition, I guess. Just 500 pieces manufactured. Chronometer certificate. This is a certified chronometer movement. COSC movement. And this is very cool. I've never seen this before. It's the guarantee card. It's an electronic device. In person, the dial is amazing. The rose gold, I don't know if it's real rose gold or it's just a look-alike, but it looks really good. I don't know if it can be appreciated. It has a fold clasp. This is how the watch looks on the wrist. I haven't adjusted it, but I will do that later. It's hard to appreciate the shine of the numerals with this light and the video. It's a rose gold. It's very shiny. I've never seen like that reflection effect before. I don't know if you can appreciate it. The numerals are like very flat, but the shine is amazing. Okay, so this is a Breitling Aviator 8 Etihad Limited Edition to 500 pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.